Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the error code for the Xbox app like games not installing. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is make your way over to the Microsoft Store just by searching it in the search bar. Anyways, once the Microsoft Store is open, you can go ahead and make your way over to downloads over here. Now once you see downloads, you can go ahead and select check for updates, because there is a very high chance that if you have an update and you have not installed them, that is causing the issue. So go ahead and update the app if you do have any updates. Now the second method you guys can do is by going over to the search bar, typing in Xbox, right click on the Xbox app, and then go ahead and select app settings. Now from app settings, what you can do is you can go ahead and make your way down to terminate. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and immediately terminate these app and related processes. Go ahead and terminate. Once you terminate, go ahead and select repair, and then go ahead and select reset. Now once you select all three of these options, you guys should be good to go, and that should be it. You can always try restarting your PC as well. That can always help as well. Now once you're done with all of these methods, you guys should be good to go, and that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.